So here's the car, pretty much broken right down. Plenty of muck, dirt, corrosion, all of the above. So what we've got here is the jet housing here. So that's the bit that the jet slides up and down, or should slide up and down it. I'm going to show you this now before it all gets overhauled. When I say overhauled, there's nothing really, these parts are not that bad, so they'll come up and be overhauled rather than replaced, which is what we do as renovators. This section here will be replaced. All these units here will all be cleaned up according to the book. Always use the book wherever possible. Never deviate from what the manufacturer asks. It just leads to problems. So you can see the state of it. It's in a terrible state. So what we're going to do is make it look and perform good. So here we go, after a lot of hard work. So doing cleaning, shot blasting, scraping, cleaning. We've restored these. We're starting to use new bits. As you can see, we needed new springs. These are the original bits, all restored up. Same with the links on here. They're all restored, brought up brass look. So yeah, all freed off, linked out, and then this section here is springs and adjusters all freed off. So just at the point now where we can rebuild the whole thing. And the float ball, it looks gold, but actually it's silver, but just the light, I think. Yeah, it's all nice and ready to go back together. Nice, clean, and that's the main thing really, getting it all clean. So I've put in there, there's the seat, the jet seat, which is here, new one put in there. Then everything else is cleaned up, ready to go. We've got the float, butterfly, all the seals, the shaft, screws have all been cleaned up, ready to go. So next thing, build it up according to what the book says.